Hello, internet people. It's a windy whisker biscuit outside. I got this stupid ass diesel heating heater that uses diesel, and I don't know, I've probably torn this thing apart like 6 times, give or take. So if you ever thought about getting one of these, I highly recommend not doing it. But just in case you do get one and it starts acting up, watch this. You can take it apart. Start with this doohickey. Screws on there. Very simple. Cover. Heating things. Got a fancy little computer. Fancy little computer in there. Does computer type things. Now, get it out of this black thing here that it's in. Get yourself a 10mm. Pop that bad boy on there. I got this thing to heat like a probably 1.5 car garage, and it's not insulated the best, but it is insulated. And on them real cold days, it's real cold in here. On them regular cold days, it's still cold in here. Let's see, last time I took this thing apart, it had like a ball of soot inside of it built up, so it wasn't flowing any air to make no fire, create no heat, stuff like that. Rubber thing goes over there. Now, not only that, sometimes there's a screw here. If you don't take it out, take that out. I got a scraper. I'm gonna use a scraper, not to scrape with. There you go. Probably see better now. Nope. Wrong hole. Gonna take. Damn, dude. This camera sucks. Shove it up underneath there. Wait. Nope, I was wrong. Shove it the other way. Pop that thing right off. Slide that out. There you go. You're off to the races. What was I saying? Tore it apart the last time. Had a bunch of soot in it. Blah, blah, blah. Still wasn't fire to make any heat. And it was throwing a code about not getting any fuel. Well, it was getting fuel because the what the hell is that thing called? Unhook the wires from the computer. Thing that gets hot and makes the fire go with the diesel. Glow plug, that's what it is. The glow plug had fuel on it. So now that you reach this point, you got screws you gotta take out. That ain't a real challenge either. While I'm thinking of it, anytime you're taking stuff apart, try to get yourself some anti-seize. Looks a lot like that. Especially if what you're taking apart is steel going into aluminum and has anything to do with being in the hot and cold process. So I always dab that stuff on so it comes apart later. Try that the other way. Either way, the glow plug had fuel on it, so I got a new one. I'm gonna shove that bad boy in and see if it fixes the problem or makes it worse. If it makes it worse, it's Just gonna throw this damn thing in the scrap pile. I'm pretty sick of it. It'd be alright if it was like a small 10 by 10 shed or something like that I was trying to heat in spring or fall time. Now, I got curious. I wanted to see how it worked and what it did. It made all sorts of claims and expectations of being good for money. It was okay. So, this doohickey, it pulls air through the casing, blows it across this. This part here is on the inside. It sucks air in through the hole here and makes the fire do fire stuff. Hey, there's that. I don't know if you can see it too good. Oh well, not my problem. Comes with seals and gaskets and things. Don't want to lose those. So, the glow plug here, I've been using a 12mm to get it out. But with this new one, they sent this weird looking socket type thing. So I'm gonna see if that works. Got a crack in it. I'm new to making these internet videos, so bear with me. I'm just trying to make an extra $1. Huh. Seems to be working so far. I'll be damned. Look at that. Glow plug. Gets hot, makes the fire start. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the rest of it while I'm here. It included some screens, so I'm gonna see if I can't get a screen out too. It's just another 4 screws on the inside, the Allen wrench, Allen socket, whatever tools you got. Try to not to over tighten it too much if you don't have to. Okay, that should just slide right out. And this part, fuel goes in here, glow plug goes in here, sucks air in here, creates fire in here, right now. And then this is just a chamber. I'm gonna go get a flashlight. Alright, done. Just chamber where fire does fire stuff. Alright, I'm gonna replace the glow plug. See about getting this screen out. Oh yeah, the screen just goes right down in there. Looks like the bottom's burned out of it. Nope. Turns out they don't have any bottoms to them. Send in new screens. Little bit of screen. But since I'm in there, they sent this fancy little hook thingy. Yep, this is gonna be neat. Alright, I'm gonna replace all this stuff. I'll be back with you in a little bit. Alright, here it is back together. If you need a tutorial on how to put it back together, just don't take it apart. Got some wires, sucks the air in there. Fuel tank. Camera's angry about something. Let's see if I fixed it. Last video, I replaced the glow plug. Glow plug wasn't the problem. Replaced the fuel pump too. Maybe it's the fuel pump. I don't know. You can hear it firing. Wait to see if the fuel pump kicks on.
On top of that, you won't have to make a payment for 90 days. Check out these hot deals at Snapchat. On 2026 Rams, get 0% for 60 months or save over $11,000. Or lease one from $369.
Kind of a neat piece of unit. While it's warming up, here's the old fuel pump. It's just two-prong plug. Wrapped in rubbers. What do you get with 365 used condoms? A Goodyear. Oh. Let's see. It's just got that cheapo depot. What is that thing? The weed whip gas line nonsense. Nope. Yeah, she's thumping. I think I'm supposed to push buttons in a certain way, but last time it didn't matter. It just fired up anyways. Probably didn't hear that, but it just fired. Sounds like it's working again. Diesel heater. Guess we're gonna put it the rest of the way back together. Carry on, people.